Hi there, Arne here. Well, I wasn't planning on doing a lawnmower review today, but life is full of surprises. Bought myself a new lawnmower. It's an ego. Don't let it go to your head. I just made that slogan up.
Buckle up for safety as I give you a day in the life of facilities maintenance.
Let me hear ooh, ah, ooh, ah.
Well, there it is, the old lawn boy. Still cuts, still runs. I'm donating it to a worthy cause, and so I needed to get another lawnmower. No frills, no self-drive. I gotta push it, but compared to this one, it is so light and it's easy to push. I like getting the exercise of mowing the lawn. I've probably got about, between the backyard here and the front yard and the other side of the house, and we've got some field grass in the back over there that I like to keep mowed just because it keeps the property cleaner. Easily 3/4 of an acre. The run time on this is 55 minutes. It's a 6 amp hour battery. However, I do have an Ego hedge trimmer, so I have another 2 amp hour battery. So essentially I've got 8 amps that I can run with. Sticking with the same battery platform allows me to expand that which I already have. I wasn't ready to go with a self-propelled. Really, for a property this size, I should have a ride-on. But we won't be here forever. We'll probably be selling in a couple of years, at which time, if we move into a more residential area, a ride-on mower won't do me any good. I'm gonna want something smaller. So this will fill the gap until I get there, and then it'll be perfect for when I'm there. It rear bags, it mulches, and it has a rear chute for side discharge. I'm gonna go mow my lawn a little bit. Grass is a little damp. I'm gonna see how that does. And then after I'm finished doing that, I'm gonna take it out to the field.
As you can see, there are as many weeds and clover and whatnot in here as there is grass.
Holy cow, this is quiet. And light. Much lighter than my gas-powered mower. Okay, I've just mowed this patch here. It was pretty long grass. It was also damp, and the mower did extremely well. Other than the chute clogging up once, you can see the little blob of grass right there, and that's because the grass is wet. This cuts as well as my gas mower. A couple of things I want to point out that I really like about it. 1, it's super light. 2, it cuts with great power. 3, I can look through the hood there and I can see my battery power at a glance. 4, that one-handed height adjustment switch works beautifully. What I'm at, 5, nothing sticks out wider than the wheels. So I'm not catching knobs or handles or anything like that on fence posts, chain link fence, anything like that when I'm running past it. What else? Maybe that's all for now. Oh, the handle. I've got it at its highest setting right now. I'm 6'2", almost 6'3" with my running shoes on here. And my elbow, I can bring that into a 90 in my hands level. It's like pushing a shopping cart. And it adjusts down much lower, so my wife, who's 8 inches shorter than I am, she could mow as comfortably with this as I could. If you're on the fence about whether or not to go with an electric mower or stick with gas, I gotta say, I'll never have to fill up another jerry can full of gas. With the size of my lawn, I go through about $125 in gasoline a year. This is the Ego, this is the 21-inch model, this is the push mower. It's so light. If your lawn is anywhere near level, you don't need the self-propelled. It pushes with hardly any effort at all. take it for what it's worth. I love it. And I wasn't sold until I actually tried it. All right, welcome to the field. Just done some lawn mowing at the house. I'm super impressed with this thing. So I'm going to take it out to this really long grass here. It's lush, it's thick, it's actually field grass. It's not lawn grass. And I'm going to beat the crap out of this thing and see how it does. I think I should probably raise it up to at least 6. That's only fair, right? Because stuff is pretty long. Like if I stick my hand in it, it goes up to my wrist, and it's also wet. Now I could wait a while, and with this breeze, and if the sun does actually come out fully, the grass will dry. But I'm impatient. I want to try this now. Now admittedly, I haven't tried a bunch of different brands of mowers, but I did have my hands on a couple of different ones. The Milwaukee is out of my price range. That's a $1,500 mower here in Canada. With the Ryobi, I can get one at the same size, 21-inch push mower, about the same power, I guess. But you know, it just didn't feel as good as this. This one feels more solid. It has better features on it. The handle was too low for me. I couldn't adjust it up nearly as high as this one. I think it had 2 positions. I just think that this is the better value, which is why I ended up going with this one. Man, you thought that other stuff was thick. This is thick. Some of these blades are up to my elbow. Is this even fair to be using a residential lawnmower in field grass like this? Probably not, which is why I'm doing it. No problem. Let's go back. Technically, this is no longer grass, or no longer just grass.
I don't know if you caught that, but did you hear the RPMs increase just for a second or two there? The machine senses when the load is heavier and it puts out more power as needed. I shut down to unclog my grass discharge. I've basically been mulching for the last couple of passes.
to show you how easy it is to unclog the chute. Just like that, falls out. Like I said, this stuff is so wet, I could squeeze moisture out of it. If this was dry, it would not be clogging. This thing is amazing. You know, the other thing too, because I'm mowing back and forth, I'm throwing that soggy, wet grass right into the path where I'm mowing. I'm convinced. I think this is the best value there is in a battery-powered electric lawnmower on the market today. I paid $549 for it from Canadian Tire here in Canada. I see it listed for $399 at Ace Hardware in the States. I don't think you can get a better deal, better value on a battery-powered electric lawnmower. It's well built. This model has been around for quite a number of years now. Obviously, it's a good seller. It's robust. It lasts a long time, or else they wouldn't keep making it, right? I've still got a little bit of battery power left, so I'm going to finish off this last little bit. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you learned something. And if you're in the market for a battery-powered electric lawnmower, I'd go with the Ego. And this is not sponsored at all. I bought this thing. Have a great day. Ooh, stripes. Couldn't do that with my gas mower.